Hey guys, welcome to the bonus module. In this session, I'm going to show you how to find a technology stack behind any website. But we can even find by inspecting an element. But while inspecting an element, we can see only HTML and CSS and some JavaScript code, right? So we're not able to see PHP or .NET or some other technology stacks. So now we can find any website technology stack by using a plugin. Okay, so just go to browser and search for Vapalizer Chrome extension, that is Wappalyzer, Vapalizer Chrome extension. Then you can find a Vapalizer for Chrome link. Just hit on that. It will be redirected to chrome.google.com like a Chrome web store. Just hit on add to Chrome. Then you can get a pop-up like this. Just hit on add extension. It will take some time. Here you can see extension is downloaded. It is adding to Chrome. Just wait for a minute. I think it is done. Yeah, here you can see it is redirected to vapalizer.com. Installation is successful. Let me close this. So now it is successfully added the extension. So let me check whether it is working or not. Just take new tab. So I'm going to search for best for indianhome.com. Okay, here you can see it is a blog. Let me check whether that plugin is present or not. Just go to here. Here you can see Vapalizer. I'm going to pin this. Then you can find here. So just hit on that. Here you can see it is made with WordPress and Google Analytics is embedded here. And then it is blogs. In blog session is also used WordPress. And here you can see some plugin Lightspeed. So programming language used is PHP, affiliate programs Amazon Associates, and here you can see some set of codes, and here you can also find a Yoast SEO plugin. Okay, and the database is MySQL, CDN is JS Deliver. So this is the entire technology stack present behind this bestforindianhome.com website. So let us check another website. Okay, just take new tab and search for Tata Consultancy Services. Okay, we can even find this by TCS. Okay, just hit on the first site. Yes, tcs.com. So let me reload this, or let me go to Vapalizer. Here you can see it is used as CMS, Adobe Experience Manager. Programming languages is Java, web servers Apache. Okay. So here you can see some set of SaaS like software as a service and tag managers. So these are the technology stack present behind this tcs.com website. So let us check for another one. Let me go for IBM. Okay, let us check. Now go to Vapalizer. Here you can see it is used Drupal. Drupal is nothing but it is also a CMS. It is quite similar to WordPress. Here you can see the programming language is PHP, right? Web servers are Apache. So I'm in boldews.in. Let me click Ctrl+Shift+I to inspect the element. Here you can see DevTools, Chrome DevTools. So here go to elements. Then here you can find some set of code which is in HTML, and you can also find the script codes here. So guys, just go to sources. Okay, and then just go to page. Here you can see. Let me maximize this. Okay, then just go to boldews.in. Then here you can see WP content/uploads. So WP content, WP is nothing but WordPress. So WP content is a folder which is present in WordPress file. Okay, so if you find anything related to WordPress like WP, then that website is made using WordPress. So that's all about knowing the technology stack behind any website by using plugin or by using inspect element. So guys, I hope you had understand about this video. Thank you.